Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the chords accompaniment part to Kiss Me by Sixpence None The Richer. This was a song that was out in the 90s. It's been requested a fair amount actually, which is why I'm doing it today. Obviously there's no piano in the song, we're just going to be trying to imitate what the guitar part is doing. And I'll attempt to sing each section as well. And I've also left the full chords and lyrics down below. So this one's in the key of E flat major. So on the screen now are the notes of the scale of E flat major. So we've got those three flats to deal with. And the chords are formed using the notes of that scale. Here is middle C as a reference. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, you'll notice that my voice is gone really hoarse again from teaching and talking a lot. So I'll teach both hands at the same time. The left hand is just playing root notes. I'll teach you the chords first and I'll show you how to make it sound more strummed guitar-like. So the first chord, start with the intro, the first chord is an E flat major, so it starts in the root chord. So specifically in this inversion, because this G is sticking out at the top, so it's B flat, E flat and G, so it's second inversion. The left hand is going to play either a single E flat, one of those, or octaves. So we've got one. So in terms of the strumming pattern, if I just play it first. So I'm playing them both together, so I'm going 1, 2, and then left, right, left, together. 1, 2, left, right, left, together. That's sort of the rhythm of the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all you're going to do, you're just changing the middle note. So we're going to change the E flat to a D, and this gives us E flat major 7. And then the next you're going to turn the D to a D flat, and that gives us E flat 7, dominant 7. And then back to the D again. And then you repeat that progression the second time. So the strum pattern is something along them lines. Obviously you can do your own pattern, but I'm just giving you an idea of what you could do. Just to play it sort of slowly. And then you play that almost 2 more times for the verse, except for the last time you change to, instead of playing an E flat major 7, you go and play an A flat major 7. So the left hand comes up to A flats, and the right hand you'll just play C, E flat and G. So that's the only thing that's different about the verse on the end. So I'll just demonstrate that. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider hitting that like button and say hi in the comments section below. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing, you know where the button is, and make sure to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a new tutorial and you can be the first to learn. I've left a load of playlists in the description as well to get you started. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tutorial and let's continue. From the beginning. and then into the chorus. So there's a lot more going on in the chorus. So we've got F minor, specifically in second inversion, so F's in the left hand, and C, F, A flat in the right hand. So I'll just teach you the chords first. So we got 1, 2, and then you're going to come up to B flats in the left hand and kind of pivot on the F, and then change to D and B flat. So first inversion of B flat major. So we got Kiss Me, and then we've got the E flat major chord again for 2 beats. Beneath the milky twilight. So all you're going to do there is just change the left hand to a C, keep the right hand the same, and that turns it into a C minor 7 chord. So we've got Kiss Me beneath the milky twilight. Then you do that F minor to B flat again. Lead me, the E flat, out on the moonlit floor. So we've got the E flat, and it changes to D flat, so it changes into the E flat 7 again. And carry on, back to the F minor to B flat. Lift your open hand. And we've got the E flat. You're going to see the right hand's going to stay on this chord, but the left hand is going to work its way down. So we've got E flat, change to a D, change to a C, change to a B flat. So that bit goes, lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So there we've got, I've chosen to play A flat major 9, I think it is this chord. So it's playing that E flat major chord again, but adding a C in there, and then obviously playing A flats in the left hand. I know my lowest one's a bit half shot. And I'm going to play these single notes. You're going to play A flat, G, E flat, and then we're going to play an B flat sus4, which is B flat, E flat and F, just a B flat in the left hand, into B flat major, so you turn the E flat into a D. So kiss me. I'll just go over the chorus again, and then obviously you can strum it in the same way as we were doing for the intro and verse. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Do this again. Just once through. Then it's like a stab there into the second verse, which you're going to play the same way as the first one. Kiss me down by the broken tree house, swing me upon his hanging tire, bring your flowered hat, we'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. So this post-chorus is where we've got the da, 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 da. So you're just going to ring those chords out. You could hum it. And then it's into the guitar solo. The chords are just going to play what's on the screen now, so it's just like the first part of the chorus. same. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor, and lift your open hand, strike out the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Do this 4 times to the end. So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me. And then it ends on E flat major, first inversion. So G, B flat, and E flat. Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly, beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike out the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house, swing me upon this hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike out the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me underneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike out the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me. video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.